Hello everyone, this is Harsha from HCL OneTest Data. In this video, we are going to talk about the output formats supported in HCL OneTest Data. In general, OneTest Data supports 5 formats, which are Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, and native. And depending on the type of schema and the structure of the schema, the support for these formats. Now we will see how we can generate a data with various output formats. So I have a schema. So this is a simple schema containing 3 items in a group called as name, age, and address, as you can see. So when I generate a data on this particular schema, all the 5 output formats are supported. So when I use CSV or Excel, I can also include headers as well. So when I include headers, the name, age, and address will be populated on the first row. So when I choose output format as the native, I can generate any number of records. When I choose output format as a JSON, I can generate only a single record. When I use output format as an Excel, I can generate as many records as I want. When I use output format as my CSV, there is no limit to the number of records. When I use output format as an XML, I can generate only a single record. So now let us take a look at another schema just to show you how the support for various output formats varies depending on the schema structure. So when I generate a data on this schema, I see only native format is supported, and it allows me to generate only a single record. So depending on the schema and the structure of the schema, the output formats varies, and also the number of records varies.